Supreme Court of India 2023-0 NSC 944 2023-0 Supreme, SC 1078 The Director General of Police Tamilnadu Mylapore vs. J. Raghunees decided on October 20, 2023 Facts of the case. The respondent was selected for the post of Grade 2 Constable. Antecedents were inquired for verification of his character and other antecedents. It was revealed that he was involved in a criminal case registered as case crime number 392 of 1997 for offences under sections 341, 323, 324 and 506, 2, of Indian Penal Code. He was acquitted in the said case by the trial court, but these facts were not disclosed by him. Authorities vide order dated September 11, 2004 held that the respondent was not entitled to appointment as he was guilty of suppressing material fact. Order was in writ petition before the High Court, which was dismissed, but in writ appeal the judgment and order of the learned single judge was set aside and the writ appeal was allowed. Finding of the Court Rule 14b of Tamilnadu Special Police Subordinate Service Rules 1978 rule only provides for the eligibility criteria and that, apart from other things, the character and antecedents of the candidate are relevant and material factor for giving him entry in the service. Additionally, the respondent was required to disclose certain information about himself by filling the verification roll column 15. Have you ever been concerned in any criminal case as defendant column in unequivocal terms inquires from the candidate about his involvement in any criminal case whether in past or present and unaffected by its status or result. Respondent in filling up stated, "No." The answer of the respondent to the question posed in column 15 of the verification roll undoubtedly conveys the wrong information and amounts to the suppression of the correct information. Though the respondent may be eligible for appointment, but since he has not disclosed the complete information with regard to his involvement in a criminal case, wherein he might have been acquitted earlier even before verification, he cannot escape the guilt of suppressing the material information as required by column 15 of the verification roll. Keeping in mind that the respondent was a candidate for recruitment to a disciplined force, the non-disclosure of the information of his involvement in the criminal case and subsequent acquittal therefrom cast a serious doubt upon his character and the antecedents, which is sufficient enough to disentitle him from employment. The judgment and order of the division bench is set aside, appeal is allowed, and the writ petition stands dismissed.